Here we are going to start with the book exercises of chapter number 5, articles. The first question is, let's crack it. Here the articles have been used incorrectly in each of the sentences. Underline the incorrect article and write the correct articles in the blanks. One has been done for you. First one, they know a woman standing there. Here a woman, here a is wrong article, so in place of a we will write the. Second one, Monica planted a seeds today. Here a is wrong article, in place of a we will use the, because we can use a article only when the common singular noun is given. Then third one, he will appear for a second test tomorrow. Here instead of a the is used because second is a ordinal number. Fourth sentence, this is a best garden I have ever seen. Here a is wrong article because best is a superlative degree of comparison, so before it we have to use the article. Fifth one, many countries send astronauts to a moon. Here moon is a unique object or a universal thing, so in place of a article the article will be used before moon. The sixth one, Megha has never visited an European country. Here an is a wrong article. In place of an we will use the article because it is the name of a nationality, European. Seventh one, do you have the pen? Here the article is incorrectly used, so in place of the we will use a article because a is used before singular common noun. Eighth one, we went to see a Taj Mahal last month. Here a is incorrect article. In place of a we will use the because Taj Mahal is an important monument. Then B exercise, fill in the blanks with correct article. One has been done for you. Here we have to fill it with suitable articles in each of the sentences. First one, Kimi lives in the new house next to mine. Second, Hemant is an honest man. Here honest, the spelling is starting with a consonant, but when we pronounce honest, it is sounding as if it is a vowel. Then third one, my sister wants to study in a university. Fourth, please switch off the television. We are talking of a particular television, so here we will use the article. Fifth, you can see many fishermen fishing in the Ganga. Ganga is the name of a particular river, so we will use the article. Sixth, the French tourist had a great time in India. Here, the is used before French because French is a name of, because we are talking of French tourist. The tourists belong to French, so we have used here the article. Next is, let's perfect it. In each of the blank you have to fill with correct article. One has been done for you. My mother told me a story about a unicorn. Second, the airport is quite far from here. We are talking of particular airport, so we have used the article. Ours is an united group. Here united U is a vowel, so we have used an article. Fourth, I saw an army of soldiers running down the mountain. Here army of soldiers is a collective noun, so we have used here an article. Fifth one, a calculator is a useful machine. Sixth, he is a citizen of the United States. Seventh, the Pacific Ocean is vast. We are talking of particular ocean, so the article is used before Pacific. Eighth, the Indian team is playing against the Australian team. We are talking of particular teams, so we have used here the article. Ninth, the school is taking us for a 1 week trip to Jaipur. 10th one, do you know how the Bengalis celebrate Durga Puja? Bengalis are particular communities, so we have used here the article. 11th, there is a pit of snakes in this dry well. Pit is in the sentence, it is a common noun, so we have used here a article. 12th, it will take me an hour to complete my homework. Here R is given, it is sounding as if there is a vowel, so we have used an article here. 13th, the Nile is the longest river in the world. The Nile is a particular river and longest is superlative degree in the world, so we have used here the article. 14, Tom goes to a university while his brother works in office. 15. The filmmaker is making a film on the Mumbai terrorist attack. Here we are talking of particular incident, that is terrorist attack. So we have used here the article. 16th. Last night I saw an unknown shining object in the sky. Unknown. It is starting with a U vowel. So we have used an. 17th. The best way to stay fit is to exercise. Here best is the superlative degree of comparison. So we will use the article. 18th. My uncle is an electrician. Electrician, it is starting with a vowel E. So we will use here an article. Then 19. Where do you usually go for a walk? 20. You are an hour late for the show. Then last one is B exercise. Here some articles are missing in this paragraph. In your notebook, rewrite the paragraph filling in the missing articles. Underline the articles that you insert.